Tonight, when you go to sleep, your brain is going to construct a bizarre virtual reality simulation. You might dream about showing up to work without pants, falling from a really tall building, or suddenly remembering an exam you forgot to study for. Your dreams are mostly just a reflection of your modern, everyday anxieties.
But let's rewind the clock about 50,000 years. Back then, there were no office jobs, there were no cell phones, and there were definitely no final exams. So when the earliest humans closed their eyes on a freezing, terrifying, predator-filled Earth, what exactly was playing inside their minds? What did an ancient caveman actually dream about? To understand that, we first have to understand why we dream at all.
For a long time, scientists thought dreams were just random brain garbage, just your neurons firing off randomly while your body did its nightly repair work. But evolutionary psychologists have a different idea.
It's called threat simulation theory. Imagine you are an early human. Every single day, everything around you is actively trying to kill you. Venomous snakes, rival tribes, eating a weird poisonous berry, or predators that weigh 10 times more than you do. Your brain needed a way to practice surviving these deadly threats without you actually dying in real life. So it created a nightly training simulator. Your dreams.
Researchers actually went and studied modern hunter-gatherer tribes, people who still live off the grid, much like our ancestors did. And they found that their dreams are radically different from ours. We dream about social embarrassment.
They dream about physical survival. And ancient humans' dreams were violent, terrifying, and action-packed. They dream consistently of being haunted by wild animals. They dream of freezing in the snow or falling off cliffs. But these weren't just nightmares to ruin their sleep. They were life-saving training sessions.
If an ancient human dreamed about a wolf attack on Tuesday night, their brain's reaction time and escape plan were slightly faster if a real wolf stepped out of the bushes on Wednesday morning. But they didn't just dream of monsters. As humanity evolved, our dreams shifted, and it was all because of one invention: fire. Once we had the campfire, the nights were suddenly safe. The predators stay away.
Because we weren't in constant physical danger every night, our brains could relax. We started dreaming about something new: each other. Ancient humans started dreaming about social connections. They dream of lost loved ones and ancestors. Many anthropologists believe that these dreams were actually the birthplace of human religion. When a caveman saw their deceased grandfather walking and talking in a dream, they didn't understand brain chemistry. To them, the spirit world was absolutely real, and they had just visited it in their sleep. Today, we don't really worry about saber-toothed cats anymore. We live in safe boxes made of brick and wood. But the threat simulator in your brain? It is still running the exact same software from 50,000 years ago. It just swapped out the ancient monsters for modern ones. So next time you wake up sweating from a nightmare where you tripped and fell in public, don't be annoyed. Be thankful.
It's just the ancient survivors inside of you, running drills to make sure you are ready for tomorrow. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the weird science of humanity. See you in the next one.